How to create an account on RedNote. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create RedNote account. RedNote is a Chinese rapidly growing social media and e-commerce platform that has gained popularity, particularly among the users looking for alternatives to TikTok. This allows users to create and share notes which can include text, images and short videos. Here's how you can create an account on RedNote. First of all, make sure you have already downloaded the authentic RedNote application on your mobile device. Now once you have done that, open your application on your mobile device, and soon after opening the application, you might need to agree to the terms and conditions of RedNote. Now once you have done that, in the space, here you will need to tap on this login button. Simply tap on it, and then here you will need to enter your country code and your phone number. After entering the country code, tap on the little circle that says I have read and agreed to the following policies, and then tap on this login button right here. Alternatively, you may also use Facebook and Google account in order to log in or sign in to your RedNote account. After that, now a code will be sent to your mobile number. You will need to wait for that code, and once you receive the code, enter it in this field. Once after entering the code, tap on this login button and then here choose your gender. You can simply tap on the gender and then select your age. Simply swipe up or down to select your age. After that, tap on the next button at the very bottom. Once after doing that, now here you will need to select your interest. Make sure to select 4 to 5 interests in order to tailor your news feed. After that, tap on the Start Exploring at the bottom right. Here in this page at the very bottom, you can access your contacts by simply tapping on this Allow button if you would like to find your friends from your contacts in RedNote. If not, you can simply tap on Don't Allow. After that, you will see you have successfully created an account on RedNote. So by following these steps, you should be able to create an account on RedNote. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.